Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. It's a Sunday morning, and Weather in 5 gives you 5 days in 5 minutes as we're watching a wall of rain moving northeastward up the coast. These the remnants of Nestor. It made a complete transition over into a non-tropical low, and you can see on the satellite loop today the sprawling nature of the cloud structure here in the Northeast and down into the southeastern part of the United States. A lot of leftover clouds. There was quite a bit of rain that moved up through the southeast and into now the mid-Atlantic states, and we're going to participate in some of that. Fortunately, we don't have a setup here that's going to cause this low to strengthen when it moves off the East Coast near the coast of Virginia late this afternoon and this evening. It's just going to move offshore and just kind of meander and sit out there, and the rains will come and the rains will go. And you can see the next system out to the west is going to be our next weather maker going forward. So looking at the radar, it's a wall of rain that's lifting northeastward. It will be moving in. It'll last for about 6 or 7 hours or so, and then it will be moving out. And I think the heaviest rainfall amounts from this are going to wind up being from coastal and southern New Jersey, south and west into Maryland and Delaware, where it's already been raining. And you can see some moderate to heavy rain throughout much of the eastern half of Virginia, down into eastern North Carolina and moving to the northeast. Even a couple of thunderstorms showing up southeast of Hatteras right now, and those are moving northeastward. So this is, again, it's not really a very impressive system at this point. That it was a, quote, tropical storm, that mattered when it was in the Gulf of Mexico. As it's moving up, this is really just for us, it's really just an ordinary Gulf low that is moving up the coast and bringing some rain. And of course, with clouds and the potential for some rain today, that's going to impact high temperatures, which are going to be pretty much in the 50s to around 60. And we're going to see those temperatures maybe edge up into the low 60s. And then once the rain comes in, look for those numbers to drop back down into the 50s. And for the week ahead, we're looking at Monday being a much better day, where we'll have maybe some clouds lingering along the coast with a bit of an onshore wind, but I think we will see some sun inland. So highs will be in the low and middle 60s from eastern Pennsylvania to southern New England, and upper 60s as you head down into Maryland and northeastern Virginia. The next cold front is coming in for Tuesday, and that will take temperatures up into the 60s, but there will be showers here to deal with as a front comes through from west to east, and I'm thinking the showers will be mostly Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. Wednesday and Thursday look like 2 dry days where we'll have some sunshine for both days. Highs will be pretty much in the low to mid 60s on Wednesday, and as we head into Thursday, they'll be in the mid to even a few upper 60s. And then, of course, we've got the next weather system that'll be approaching for Friday, and that will bring in a chance for some showers. So as we take a look at how models are handling this today, it's pretty straightforward here. The low is sliding northward. We can take a look at it from the viewpoint of the NAM model from overnight, and there you can see that rain. It comes in. The NAM is a little bit slower with the rain here, actually. When you match it up with the radar, this is how it's supposed to look like at noontime, and it's already looking like this now. So if it gets in a couple of hours faster, it'll probably get out a couple of hours faster. North and west, the rain diminishes somewhat, and then you see the low going out east of New Jersey after about 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. Skies will clear out. It probably will be raining to a certain extent during the New York Giants game today in East Rutherford, New Jersey. And then the low moves away. Monday looks good. Then we have this next cold front coming through. Much of the energy with this, if you'll notice, low pressure heads up to the western lakes. So we'll get a front with some showers here probably late Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. And then after that goes by, we should dry out nicely with high pressure building in for Wednesday and for Thursday. So let's manage to get through the rain issues for today And then I'll have a little bit of, we'll have some improvement for tomorrow. And after that, we'll move along to Tuesday with our next chance of showers. Download the free weather app, folks, the meteorologist Joe Cioffi weather app on Google Play or on the App Store. I've got links all over the place on my website, on Facebook. But all you really have to do is just go to Google Play or go to the App Store and put in meteorologist Joe Cioffi, or you could even try just Joe Cioffi all by itself, and it might come up. And also there's Angry Ben's free weather app, the Angry Weatherman, which is available for Android devices. So go to Google Play and download that as well. We are, continuing to try to expand our coverage. I just want to give you a heads up as we get into the winter months. I'm going to be spending much more of my time on my weather platform on Patreon, which is a subscription platform, and probably a bit less time on Facebook. So you're going to have the app in order to stay on top of the weather. And if you choose to support that, if you choose to support the app, you can do so by either becoming a Facebook supporter, or you can join the weather platform on Patreon, which gives you a lot of extra weather. You can message me anytime. There's videos just for Patreon members, and it's just $2 a month. If you need weather as part of your day-to-day decision making, there are higher tiers available, and just contact me if you have any questions. Especially with the upcoming winter, I might come in handy. Okay? Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy your Sunday. We'll see you later. Hopefully tonight I'll be doing a YouTube live stream on my YouTube channel.